Hey, so this is 977 equation. You are given a graph which is undirected, and you need to find the number of cyclic connected components in the graph. So in this question, there are two cyclic connected components. So uh, the main idea will be iterate over each component and then figure out which of them is a cyclic component or not. So there's an easy algorithm to do this. Just check for every component, if the degree of every vertex in it is 2, then it's a cyclic component. So as you can see in this component, 15, the degree is 2, 5, 11, 9. Similarly for 10, 7, and 16. So this is the algorithm which we are going to use. So let's see the code. So type the vector int vi, type the vector vi vvi. So these two will be helpful for constructing the graph in a very simple manner. So first we'll scan the vertex and the number of edges. Now we can create the adjacency list by just simply saying g equal to vvi, the number of vertices which are n. And right now the adjacency lists, all the lists will be blank, so vi of 0. uh, then we'll iterate over all the edges and uh, put them in the adjacency list. Now what we'll do is we'll iterate over all the connected components, and we'll first check if any vertex is not visited. Then we'll go and do a depth first search or a breadth first search in that component, and we'll keep collecting all the vertices in that component in a vector visits. Using this visits, we'll come to know what are the vertices in the, what are the nodes in the connected component and what are their degrees. So this is a simple DFS function. We need to declare the graph as a global because we are going to use that in the DFS function also. We need a vector and we need a VI of visits. So we have to reset the visits every time we do a depth first search. So here I've declared bool is cycle equal to true. So if this connected component has a cycle, then all the vertices in that visits array should have degree of 2, and then simply will increment the count by is cycle. Is cycle will be either 1 or 0. That's it.